Hi friends, this video shows how to forget a Bluetooth device. Here I am going to forget this Bluetooth speaker. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner, go down, set remotes and accessories. Here you can see connected Bluetooth speaker Stone 352, set it, go down, set forget, set yes.
Disconnected.
This way we can disconnect and forget a Bluetooth device. Later if you want to reconnect this Bluetooth device, you can select this pair, remote or accessory. Select this option. It's searching for accessories. On top right corner you can see Stone 352. That is the name of this speaker. You can select it. Now it's pairing. Then you can select the pair option. Select pair.
You're now connected to both Stone.
So this way we can reconnect. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.